food sources. Learning objectives. Why do we eat food? Food from plants. Classification of animals on the basis of their food habits. Different types of food eaten by organisms. Varieties in the food. Food from animals. Our food habits. Food items and their ingredients. Why do we eat food? When we are hungry, we eat food. How does food help us? Food is a substance that helps us in various ways such as 1. The principal function of food is to provide energy. For movements like running, playing or lifting, we require energy. 2. All living beings need food for replacement and repair of their damaged cells. 3. Food helps our body to grow. If we do not take in sufficient amount of food, we remain unhealthy. 4. Food enables our body to fight diseases and protect from infections. Food gives us energy. Varieties in the food. It is clear that we eat many different kinds of food at different times and on different days. This is called variety in the food. Different people eat different types of food according to their habits, lifestyle, taste and availability. For example, some people eat mainly food prepared from wheat, like chapati, bread or noodles, pulses, dal, vegetables and fruits. On the other hand, some people eat mainly rice preparations, in the form of boiled rice, biryani, dosa or idli. And some people also eat dishes made from eggs, meat, chicken and fish. A particular variety or preparation of food served as part of a meal is called dish. Any of the foods or substances which are combined to make a particular dish are called ingredients. Food items and their ingredients. The various food items, or dishes, which we eat daily are usually made up of more than one materials or ingredients. For examples, in order to prepare boiled rice, we take raw rice and boil it in water. So, just two materials or two ingredients, raw rice and water, are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. Even chapati, or roti, is made of only two ingredients, flour, atta, and water. Flour is the powder obtained by grinding grain, usually wheat grain. Some food items are, however, made by using many ingredients. For example, vegetable curry is made by using many ingredients like different types of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and water. Similarly, a dish of dal can be made by using many ingredients such as pulses, urad, moong, masoor, etc., salt, spices, oil, and water, etc. Note that urad dal is black gram, moong dal is green gram, whereas masoor dal is lentil. Some of the common food preparations, food items or dishes and their major ingredients are given below. Some common food items and their major ingredients. Food item. Major ingredients, dish. 1. Chapati, roti. Flour, atta, water. 2. Boiled rice. Rice, water. 3. Vegetable curry. Vegetable, salt, spices, oil, water. 4. Dal. Pulses, salt, spices, oil, water. 5. Idli. Rice, urad dal, salt, water. 6. Kheer. Rice, milk, sugar. 7. Omelette. Eggs, salt, spices, oil. 8. Chicken curry. Chicken meat, salt, spices, oil, water. 9. Mutton curry. Mutton, goat meat or sheep meat, salt, spices, oil, water. 10. Fish curry. Fish meat, salt, spices, oil, water. In the above discussion, we have used oil for preparing many food items or dishes. The oil here means cooking oil. The cooking oil includes groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil and coconut oil, etc. Note that in place of oil, we can also use ghee to prepare food or cook food. Ghee, also called desi ghee, is made from milk. The food ingredients like rice, flour, atta, vegetables, pulses, spices, and oil all come from various types of plants. Sugar also comes from plants, sugarcane. On the other hand, the food ingredients such as milk, ghee, eggs, chicken, mutton and fish come from animals. Note that oil is a plant product, it is extracted from oil seeds, but ghee is an animal product, which is made from milk. Brinjal plant. Brinjal. Hen. Egg. Food from plants. We get our food from different parts of plants. These plant parts provide different types of food such as cereals, fruits, vegetables, pulses and spices. Different types of plant parts give different types of food items. The different parts of a plant have been shown in figure. Cereals. Cereals are rich source of carbohydrates. Wheat, barley, millet, maize, rice are cereals which are produced by cereal crops. These food items are also known as food grains. These cereals are mainly seeds. Parts of a plant. Leaf. Fruit. Flower. Stem. Root. Vegetables. Vegetables are rich source of vitamins, minerals and roughage. Turnip, carrot, cabbage, onion, ginger, potato, chili, spinach etc. all are vegetables. We eat different types of vegetables. Some vegetables are roots such as carrot, turnip, radish etc. Onion, ginger, potato are underground stems. Spinach, methi, cabbage are leaves. Some vegetables are flowers like cauliflower. Cereals. Vegetables. Fruits. Fruits are also rich in minerals and vitamins. A fruit is that part of the plant in which its seed or seeds are enclosed. Some fruits become sweet and juicy, forming edible fruits like mangoes and bananas. Orange, lemon and amla are citrus fruits. Fruits. Pulses. We obtain pulses or dull from plants. Pulses are rich in protein. They help in the building of new tissues and maintenance and repair of existing tissues in the body. Pea, gram, pigeon pea, black gram, kidney bean etc. are known as common pulses. They are either developed from seeds or from fruits. Pulses. Oils. Oils are obtained by crushing the seeds or the dried fruits of plants. Oil is used in the preparation of food. Coconut, mustard, soybean, olive and sunflower oils are commonly used oils. Seeds. Oil, sunflower, mustard. Plant leaves as food. We eat many leafy vegetables. The leafy vegetables are the leaves of the plants. For example, spinach, palak or saag are the leaves of the plant which we eat as a vegetable. Similarly, the leaves of mustard plant are also eaten as a vegetable. It is called sarson ka saag. Cabbage and lettuce are also leafy vegetables. Mustard leaves. Lettuce leaves. Flowers as food. The flowers of some of the plants are eaten as food. For example, the flowers of banana plant are eaten as a vegetable in many parts of our country. The flowers of pumpkin plant, kaddu plant, are also eaten as food. The pumpkin flowers are dipped in rice paste, fried and then eaten as food. Some other flowers which are eaten as food are sunflower, gladiolus, dandelion, and jasmine. Gladiolus flower. Pumpkin flower. Spices. We obtain spices from plant seeds or flowers. You already know that spices make our food tasty but have no food value. Cloves and cassia are obtained from flowers of syzygium and crocus respectively. Black pepper, cardamom, ginger, turmeric and chilies are major spices. Cumin seeds, jeera, cloves, long, coriander, dhania, turmeric, red fennel, saunf, bay leaves, tezpatta are some other kinds of the spices. Spices. Beverage. Beverages like tea are obtained from the leaves of the tea bush and coffee from the beans of the coffee plant. Beverage is also known as drinkable food item. Beverages can be either alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Tea leaves. Tea. Coffee seeds. Coffee. Sugar and jaggery. Sugar and jaggery are two common sweeteners used throughout the world. Both the food items are obtained from sugarcane. Sugarcane plant. Sugar and jaggery. Sprouts. When the seeds begin to grow or germinate by developing tiny roots, they are called sprouts. The food value of some type of seeds can be increased by converting them into sprouts. The sprouts contain more of vitamins A, B and C, which makes them a more nutritious food. The method of making sprouts from seeds is called sprouting. Sprouting means the process whereby seeds begin to grow or germinate. Sprouting is called ankuran in Hindi. The seeds of mung, moth and gram are usually converted into sprouts in our homes to make snacks. Sprouts can be prepared from the seeds as discussed ahead. Making sprouts. Activity 1.3. Take some dry seeds of chickpea in a pot and fill it up with water and leave it for a day. Next day, drain the water from the pot and cover the seeds with a wet cloth and keep in a warm place. Next day you will see that a small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. These seeds are called sprouted seeds. Inference. Seeds can grow into a new plant. Sprouted seeds. Food from animals. Animals provide us various food products such as meat, egg, fish, milk, cheese, curd, honey, etc. As we know, animals are not able to make their own food. They depend on the ready-made food, which comes either from plants or from other animals. For instance, we get food products like vegetables, pulses, spices and grains from plants and milk, ghee, eggs, meat, chicken and fish from animals. Milk products. Milk is a complete food for infants. Cow, buffalo, goat and sheep provide us with milk. These animals are called milk-yielding or milch animals. Milk is used for making curd, cheese, butter, ghee, khoya, ice cream and kulfi. These products are called milk or dairy products. Milch animals. Buffalo, cow, goat. Milk products. Milk, ghee, butter, cheese, eggs and meat. Poultry includes birds like chicken, hen, duck, geese and turkey. These birds are good sources of animal food in the form of eggs and meat. Eggs and meat are rich in proteins. These food items can be eaten either by boiling, baking, roasting or frying. Eggs. Meat. Fish. Fish is an aquatic animal. Fish and seafood are rich in protein and iodine. Fish is the staple diet of people living in the coastal areas. Marine fish is found in seawater around Kerala, West Bengal and Mumbai in India. Salt. The only non-living/inorganic food ingredient is got from seawater. Honey. Salt. Honey is used in medicines. It is produced by honeybees using flower nectar. Honey is extracted from the beehives, wherein it is collected by honeybees. Classification of animals on the basis of their food habits. Human beings eat both plant products and animals products. Certain animals feed only on grass or plants and plant products. Certain animals feed only on other animals. Certain animals feed on both plants and animals. On the basis of their food habits, all the animals can be divided into three groups: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. For example, rabbit, giraffe, cow, sheep, etc. These animals have wide, blunt teeth for pulling plants and grinding them. Rabbit, giraffe. Herbivores. Sheep. Carnivores. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. For example, snake, lion, wolf, tiger, frog, panther, etc. Carnivores are also known as predators, and the animals they kill are called prey. Huge-sized carnivores like tiger, leopard, lion, etc. have sharp and curved teeth, strong jaws and claws to kill, hold and tear their prey. Snakes and frogs have long tongues and small teeth to catch their prey. Carnivores. Jaguar, lion, wolf, tiger, cheetah, frog, snake, panther. Omnivores. The animals which can get their food from plants as well as animals are called omnivores. For example, humans, bears, crows, some birds, etc. They have special body parts that can digest both types of food. Omnivores. Bear, human, duck, crow, mouse. Scavengers. They are those animals which feed upon bodies of dead animals. Some carnivores and omnivores mainly eat dead bodies of animals and help to keep the environment clean. Examples are crows, jackals and vultures. Scavengers. Jackal, vulture, crow. Food producers and consumers. The plants do not eat food like animals do. The green plants make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. In this process, the green plants absorb water and nutrients like nitrogen, etc. from the soil, carbon dioxide gas from the air, and energy from sunlight and make food. Since plants can make their own food, they are called food producers, or just producers. All the green plants are food producers. In fact, the plants not only make food for themselves, they also provide food to animals, including human beings. For example, when we eat chapati, roti, bread, rice, noodles, fruits and vegetables, we actually eat the food made and stored by plants. Animals are unable to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis, like the plants do. Animals depend on plants, or other animals, for food. The animals eat or consume plants and plant products, or other animals to get the food which is stored in them. Since animals only consume, or eat, food made by others, they are called food consumers, or just consumers. All the animals, including human beings, are food consumers. Different types of food eaten by organisms. Some organisms eat different kinds of food which are given below. No. Name of the organism. Food that they eat. 1. Cow. Grass, hay, grain, leaves. 2. Dog. Meat, chicken, milk, biscuit, bread. 3. Human being. Vegetable, fruits, grain, meat, chicken. 4. Tiger. Flesh of animals. 5. Deer. Plants. 6. Birds. Insects, grains. Now you know that human beings, animals, birds, insects, etc. eat different kinds of food. Our food habits. Food habits of the people of the various Indian regions differ. Food habits in any region mostly depend upon the crops grown there. The following are food habits of people belonging to different regions in India. No. Regions. Food habits. 1.
उत्तर प्रदेश चपाती,
Dal,
मटर पनीर, भिंडी,
aloo curry,
पुड़ता,
etc. 2. Punjab,
लस्सी, सरसों का साग, मक्की की रोटी, छोले भटूरे,
etc. 3.
महाराष्ट्र पाव भाजी, विंडालू, अम्बोली, पूरनपोली, भेलपूरी.
4.
राजस्थान चूरमा, दाल बाटी, भुजिया पुलाव, कढ़ी.
5.
गुजरात ढोकला, श्रीखंड, खिचड़ी.
6.
तमिलनाडु
Rice,
सांभर, रस्म, डोसा, इडली, कोकोनट चटनी.
Q keywords. Beverage, a drink of any type. Herbivore, an animal which eats only plant. Carnivore, an animal which eats other animals. Omnivore, an animal which eats both plants and animals. Summary. Plants and animals are two main sources of food. Cereals are rich sources of carbohydrates. Vegetables are rich sources of vitamins, minerals and roughage. Fruits are also rich in minerals and vitamins. Pulses are rich in protein, which helps in the building of new tissues and maintenance and repair of existing tissues in the body. Oils are obtained by crushing the seeds or the dried fruits of plants. Spices are obtained from plant seeds or flowers. Food from animals includes milk, meat, fish, eggs and honey. Honey is obtained from insects called honeybees. All the animals on the basis of their food habits can be divided into three groups: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Rabbit, giraffe, cow, sheep etc. are examples of herbivores. Snake, lion, wolf, tiger, frog, panther, eagle etc. are examples of carnivores. Humans, bears, crows, some birds etc. are examples of omnivores. Human beings, animals, birds, insects etc. eat different kinds of food. Food habits of the people of Indian regions.